2B numericals. Okay, that's 12th question, 42 page number. This is different. Actually, they are giving directly to calculate kinetic energy and potential energy. Here, little different. Calculate the decrease in the kinetic energy of moving body if its velocity reduced to half of the initial velocity. So, first initial kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. So after that, what they reduced to half? What is reduced? Velocity reduced to half. Velocity reduced to half. This is starting initial. Then reduced kinetic energy is equals to half m into velocity is how much? Now we will, so reduced, that is from the initial velocity they reduced. So initial kinetic energy minus reduced kinetic energy, which is equals to half mv square minus half mv square by 4. Is this correct? 2 whole square is 4. Now 1 by 2 mv square is common. 1 minus this will become 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2 mv square. This is nothing but, if you calculate, this will be 3 by 4. What is this meaning of 3 by 4th of, what is this? Half mv square is initial kinetic energy. So 3 by 4th of initial kinetic energy. So reduced, how much it is? So calculate the decreased, how much it is decreased? 3 by 4th of initial kinetic energy. Reduced, so decreased kinetic energy, decreased kinetic energy is equals to initial minus reduced. So initial minus reduced, if you do, initial is half mv square and this is reduced kinetic energy half of, because why we kept here v by 4 here. So 1 by 2 v whole square is there, it will become 1 by 4 v square. So it is 1 by 4 v square, half mv square common. So here 1, here 1 by 4, if you calculate 3 by 4. What is this half mv square? Initial kinetic energy. 3 by 4th of initial kinetic is the reduced kinetic energy. This is the 12th question, is the page number 42. 2B numericals. In that 15th question, page number 42. A ball of mass 0.5 kg slows down speed from 5 meters per second to 3 meters. See, ball is 5 meters per second. It slows down to 3 meters per second. It's kinetic energy. Calculate changing the kinetic energy. You can calculate it. So kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. So initially we have 5 meters and next it is 3 meters. v1 v2 we can take it as, so here v1 v2 is equals to 5 meters per second and v1 is equal to 3 meters per second. Otherwise directly also we can do it this. So kinetic energy is equal, changing the kinetic energy, half mv2 square minus half mv1 square. We know that half into 0.5 into this is 5 whole square minus half into this is 0.5 into 3 whole square. You can do it here. Common you can take it. Kinetic energy is equals to half into 0.5. You can take it common. This is 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square is 5 square minus 3 square is there. We can write it half into 0.5 into this is 25 minus 9. Half to 0.5 into this is 16. 2 1 2, 8 8 5 the 40. Before one number point is there, point cancel joules. So kinetic energy is equals to 4 joules. So calculate change in the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy will be how much? 4 joules. You can directly also do by 5 minus 3 you can do, 2 you can take it and substitute in this formula, you get the kinetic energy is 4 joules. That way also you can do. So 18th question, page number 42. A truck weights of 1000 kgs force weight 1000 kgs, speed changes from 36 km to 72 kilometers per hour. Calculate work done and its power. You know that work done here in the form of kinetic energy. Though that, so kinetic energy is equals to half m v2 square minus half m v1 square. We will change this 36 km per hour and 72 km per hour in the form of meters. 36 km per hour we can change in the form of 36 meters per second. We can multiply 5 by 18. In 1 18 2, it will become 10 meters per second. We can write it here meters. Then 72 kilometers also we can take it like this. Per hour we can change it 72 into 5 by 18. 18 1 18 4 so 4 by is 20 meters per second. This is V1. This is V1. This is V2. You can substitute in this formula, that is half m is common. We can write it V2 square minus V1 square. This formula you can write it like this. So here half m V2 is 20 whole square minus 10 whole square. This is nothing. Half mass is given as 1000 kgs into this is 400 minus 100. This will become half into 1000 into 300. This is 150. This I can write it as 1.5 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. 3.4 zeros and before one number point 1.5 standard form. Otherwise we can write it as a 1.5 all zeros 5 zeros 3 4 zeros 4 zeros. This I can write it in the form of these many joules. So 1,50,000 joules, 1.5 is a standard form. This is kinetic energy, otherwise work done. Then power they are asking. Power is equals to, we have work by time. Work is equals to 1.5 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. And here they have given time is 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 120 seconds. I can write this is 1.5 into 10 to the power of 5. By this I can write 1.2 into 10 to the power of 2. So this is 15 by 12 I can write it, because before one number point, 15 by 12 into 10 to the power of 3. This is 4 3 4s 3 4s 3 5s is 5 by 3 4s 3 5s 5 by 4 5 by 4. So you can write it 5 by 4 into 10 to the power of 3 watts, which is nothing but 1.25 into 10 to the power of 3 watts. So they are asking to work done as well as power. So work done is how much? 1.5 into 10 to the power of 5 joules, and the power is 1.25 into 10 to the power of 3 watts. So this is 28th question, 42 page number. How much work is needed to be done on a ball of mass 50 grams to give momentum of 5 kg meter per second? So here a ball is there, a ball is doing some work. Okay, now they have given for us mass. Mass of the ball is how much? 50 grams, nothing but 0.05 kg. Now momentum they have given for us. Momentum is equals to 5 kg meters per second. So work done, how much work? So to do work we need work is in the form of its ball is half mv square suppose. So mass is there but velocity is not there, because it is a momentum is given, but momentum is equals to, I will write it, mass into velocity. Momentum is 5 kg meter per second. Mass is given as 0.05 into velocity. So 5 by send to this side 0.05 meters per second it will be. So it is velocity. So velocity is equals to, I can write it as 500 by 5 meters per second. Velocity is equals 100 meters per second. 5 ones are 500s. So velocity we got. Now we have to do the work done. Work is in the form of kinetic energy. Nothing but kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. So half into 0.05. Velocity is 100 meters per second whole square. We can write it as half into 0.05 into 100 into 100. This is nothing but half into this into this. If you multiply this in 5 into 100, so nothing but 500 by 2, which is nothing but 250 joules. How much work is done by the ball? So ball is worked 250 joules. So if the momentum of the ball is how much? 5 kg per meter per second. He is asking to do the how much work is done. Is needed to do needed be done on a ball of mass 50 grams. So 50 grams ball needed, how much work should be done on that ball so that it should give a momentum of 5 kg per meter, 5 kg meter per second. So they asked for how much work. This is the work done, 250 joules. So 21st problem, 42 page number. How much energy is gained by a box of mass 20 kg when a man carrying a box waits for 5 minutes for bus? Carrying a box waits for 5 minutes for bus. He is carrying, just that means no, in the A bit, no displacement, just he is carrying, no displacement, just he is carrying box, waits for 5 minutes, carrying box on his hand, waiting, there is no displacement, therefore work done here is, what is that? 0, because there is no displacement in here. Carrying a box waits for 5 minutes for a bus, no work is done, because and runs carrying the box with the speed of 3 meters per second to catch the bus. So in the B1 he is going with velocity, mass is equals to 20 kgs and velocity is equals to 3 meters per second. Therefore kinetic energy and the work done in the form of kinetic energy is half m v square, nothing but half into 20 into 3 square is nothing but v is 3 into 3. 2 ones are 2 tens are 9, 90 joules. 90 joules of a work is done when he is carrying a box on his head and runs carrying the box with speed of 3 meters per second to catch the bus. This is the 90 joules of work is done by him. And next one, raising a box of 0.5 meters. That means h is equals to 0.5 meters and it is placed inside the bus. To place inside the bus, mass of that is 20 kgs and g is given as 10 meters per second. This is gravitational potential energy. So potential energy equals to mg h, work done in the form of mgh. So work here is equals to m is how much? 20 and g is 10 and this is 0.5. So 10 into 5, 0.5 is this is 520 is 100 joules. So when he is raising box of 0.5 meters, in order to place it inside the bus, he took 100 joules of energy to do the work here. Here 90 joules to do the work, and here no zero work is done because just he is waiting for a bus and only is carrying. There is no displacement while he is carrying, therefore work is done, no work is done here. So 22nd problem, a bullet of mass 50 grams of velocity 500 meters per second. It penetrates 10 centimeters into still target and comes to rest. So a bullet is penetrating into the target till 10 centimeters. It is penetrated into 10 centimeters. And what is the velocity of the bullet is 500 meters per second. Now first to calculate the kinetic energy possessed by the bullet. Know that one? Kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. So here 50 grams, we will take it in the form of kgs, nothing but 0.05 kgs into velocity is 500 meters per second. 500 meters per second was nothing but half into 0.0500 into 5. So we can write it half into this will become it as 5 5 is this is 5 into 5 into 500. So this is nothing but 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is more 5 will come. 500, 500. Okay, this one 2. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. 00 by 2. 2 6 is 12. 2 2 is 4. 2 5 is 0. So these many joules. So kinetic energy possessed by the bullet is 26250. And next that retardation force is nothing but so work done is equals to force into displacement. So force, retardation force by the bullet. So they are asking the retardation force from the penetration here. This displacement is 10 centimeters. They have given 10 centimeters is 0.1 meter. This is opposing force. So force I don't know, but work is how much? Than 6250. So force is equals to, this is V1. Work done here, average retardation force offered by the target. So force offered by the target. So F is equals to 6250 will come this side, nothing but 0.1. Therefore we can write F is equals to 62500 newtons. Okay, now here work done is equals to force into displacement. Force is nothing but this is the opposite force offered. What is that force? Offered by the target. So opposing force, this is opposing force into how much displacement, that is, yes, 10 centimeters, that's what, 0.1 centimeter. So F is equal 6.25 by 0.1 meter. So 0.1 I can write it as a 0 here. 62500 newtons. Force offered by the target is 62,500 newtons. This is average retardation force offered by the target.